Hey, let's say that you've created some Instagram reels, but you do not know how to see the draft reels in Instagram. Where are they saved? I will show you in this video. It's actually very simple. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end because it's pretty much the same thing on any Android and on any iPhone device in 2021. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. And also, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I'm curious to know. So, to see draft reels in Instagram or where your reels are saved on Instagram, you want to just switch to profile where you have some Instagram reels and you want to click on the second tab, not your profile feed, this one, not this one, this one. You might also have an IGTV tab, so you want to just click on this one. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you can see your drafts saved just like this, and you can just open it here. You can select them, you can either discard them or click on them and then upload them. So it's fairly simple. If this video helped you out in any way, give me a like, and I know you can still have some questions, and we're uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. So let me know the questions down below and I'll try to help you out ASAP. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.